Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to talking about basic grammar. We are going to start from scratch. So this is quick tutorial about basic grammar, so don't miss anything in this video, and this video is for you if you are going to start from scratch or want to just revise your English grammar. Let's get started. So our first topic is about noun. What are nouns? Nouns are the words that represent name, places, ideas, things. So noun is everything. Noun is everything. So they can be a common noun. Common noun are dog, city, cat, or proper nouns are John, Paris. Second topic is pronoun. What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words used to replace noun to avoid repetition. Common nouns include he, she, it, they, and we. Verb. Verb are action words. They describe what the subject is doing in a sentence. Verb can be in different tenses. For example, past, present, future. Or verb also indicate moods. For example, imperative, indicative, and subjunctive. Adjective describe or modify nouns. They describe more about nouns. For example, red car. So red is a adjective. Adverb. Adverb modify adjective and adverbs. They tell us when, where, or what degree an action is performing. For example, she sing beautifully. So beautiful describe how she sing. Preposition. Preposition shows relationship between noun or pronoun and the other words in a sentence. Common preposition include in, on, under, between, and above. Conjunction. Conjunctions are used to connect phrases, sentences. So common conjunctions include and, but, or, therefore, however. So these are conjunctions. Articles. Articles are used to specify whether you are talking about something special or just common. So a or an refer to a non-specific nouns, while the refers to specific noun. Subject verb agreement. Verb must agree with the subject. For example, she sing. So this is singular subject. They sing, plural subject. Direct object or indirect object. Direct object is the thing that receives the action of the verb, while the indirect object is the recipient of the direct object. For example, she gave him the book. Him is the indirect object and the book is the direct object. Sentence type. There are 4 types of sentence. So first is declarative, that means statements, interrogative question, and imperative commands, and exclamatory means expressing emotions. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you understand today's video lesson. In our next lesson, we talk about sentence structure. So don't forget to watch that video. Keep practicing, keep learning, and stay tuned for our more valuable lessons. See you in the next video.